friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today let's make luncheonmeat tofu steamed egg. I hope you will like it. The luncheon meat tastes great when steamed, and the salty luncheon meat tastes just right when eaten with soft tofu. Let's cooking. Luncheon meat tofu steamed eggs. Ingredients: eggs, luncheon meat, tofu. The puppy is attracted by the smell of lunch meat, haha. Sliced luncheon meat. Beat egg until frothy. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add water and mix well. 50 ml 1, 2. An egg is about 50 milliliters, and the ratio of eggs to chicken soup is 1 to 2. The more tender they will be. Cut tofu. Arrange a piece of tofu and a piece of lunch meat. Sieve egg liquid. Cover with food wrap, then poke holes and ready to steam. Steam with low heat for approximately 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Remove food wrap once steamed egg is cooked. Steamed egg with luncheon meat tofu is ready to eat. Give it a try. It's so easy yet delicious. Steamed eggs have a soft and waxy texture, are easy to digest and absorb, can repair damaged gastric mucosa, and can also improve the digestive function of the intestines and stomach. It has certain effects on human spleen and stomach disharmony, decreased digestive function, and common adverse symptoms such as gastritis and gastric ulcers. Relieving effect. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.